Welcome to the BTU booth here at Nepcon Shanghai. I'm delighted to be joined by Yuing Xie, who's the China sales manager here.
Yeah, sales director.
Sales director, I'm sorry. I just demoted you.
Okay.
So I'm here to congratulate you actually, Yuing, because you cleaned up at the awards ceremony for EM Innovation Awards last night by winning 3 awards. So let's talk about them and why you won them. The first one you won for the Pyramax vacuum oven for the soldering systems and for reflow. So can you tell us a little bit about the vacuum system in the Pyramax and how it works?
Okay. So the reason we launched this project because we found that now more and more customers they have avoided issues during the process. So we developed these key features, try to address customer problems, and so we launched this project last year, and we already introduced this assistance in last year's show in Germany, and now we collaborate with one lab in United States. So we continuously study and try to collect more data. So I think within before the end of this year, we will officially introduce this to the market. So I believe this is a quite good product to address the many quality issues in the industry. So this is a main purpose. We launched this project.
Right. Yeah. So is it too early to say what sort of reduction of voids that you can get with this system? Are you still testing the data, or do you have some data already?
This is still in the progress to study more data, because before we officially introduce this to our customers, we hope we can have more practical data and more competent, more mature machines which our customer will accept it. Yeah. So we're still in the progress for that, but I think we have a very exciting data from the lab already. So I think sooner or later we will officially launch this. Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Okay, so let's move back to the next one. We have the Profile Guardian, which is you won the category Software Process Control Systems. Now this is a system for monitoring, I guess, the zones, each zone of the reflow oven. So maybe you can explain a little bit better to our viewers how it works.
Okay, so for this one, the reason we launched this software product because now I think the quality and the customer also want to control to get a better quality and want to trace to each productions. So we found from the feedback from our customer side, sometimes if even the fluctuations during the process will lead to a big loss. So that's the reason we launched this redundant monitor systems, which can give us another security and to make sure their product can be the good temperature uniformity in the process during the process. And once is any fluctuation happens, so this system, because it's running independently, so it will give our customer the notice, so they can easily to trace back.
Right. Okay, so basically you will know you'll have the profile of what the oven heat has been running at in each zone and you'll know by the time that it was recorded at. So if there's a batch recall, then you can say, well, round about this time, this is what the oven recall was running at. Yeah. Okay, I understand. So the third one here is the Pyramax with Trueflat technology. Now, the category here was soldering systems auxiliary system. Not quite sure what that means, but explain to me what the Trueflat technology is and how that works.
Okay, so for Trueflat technology is our trademark technology. We launched this 2 years ago because this product is mainly to address the warpage issue. Mostly it happens in the semiconductor package process, because now is the substrate and the material is getting thinner. So customers sometimes they will suffering the production yield load during the process, during the material change. So for this Trueflat technology, we use like a suction force in our chamber, so we will keep the substrate totally flat during the process, during the soldering process. So which will also get a higher production yield. So it's already been qualified by our major customers. So it's quite successful product for BTU.
Good. Yeah. So just to recap on the technology there, you have blowers that blow heat down, but then you have the same blowers that will work in the reverse and suck the board down onto the belt.
Negative pressure.
Yes. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Great. Well, as I say, I don't think I've seen a company win 3 awards in a row. So that must be a record. So very much congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.